If you're familiar with my channel, then you know how much I like my KBD67 Lite. I've tried over a dozen switches, bought new plates, and today I would like to show off my latest upgrade. Before I start, I would like to give a quick shout out to Divinity and their latest free sticker. This one is inspired by the Enjoy PPT Sushi keycap set, and it's my favorite one yet. Okay, as you have probably guessed, this is the KBD67 V3 aluminum case. It comes with a bag of parts which include standoff screws, case screws, rubber bump-ons, and what I'm assuming are weight screws, as well as the Torx screwdriver needed for the case. I opted for the gray case just because I already have the ABS black one. I wasn't entirely sure what to expect given that this is my first aluminum case, but in my opinion, everything looks good. You can see on the back that they replaced the original Comic Sans inspired font with a more professional looking one. To start things off, we can see that the aluminum case weighs 631 grams, whereas my fully built KBD67 Lite weighs 629 grams. And by the way, the ABS case by itself weighs 197 grams. Alright, and to use the new case, we just need to take everything out of the original and put it into the new one. One quick note when reassembling the V3 case is just to make sure that the sides line up, otherwise you'll have a little bit of a sharp edge. And fully built, we can see that this weighs 1,060 grams, which is around 2.5 pounds. For my sound tests, I'll do one with the KBD67 Lite with Duroc palms, one with the V3 case without foam, and one with foam where the brass weight would normally go. Enjoy! Overall, I think this is a nice upgrade for the KBD67 Lite, just because the typing experience feels noticeably sturdier thanks to the added weight. I'm still not sure if it's worth it, given that the case costs $135, which is more than the KBD67 Lite itself, but if you love the keyboard enough and want to elevate it, then this is not a bad move. Anyways, I hope this was helpful. Thanks for watching.